My name is Liczka, and I'm from a company named Farmak. We are located in Czech Republic. From my point of view, it's higher standards for validations or for quality. And today we have a few people who doing this stuff like every day. But in the future, I think that AI would help us a lot. It could be a powerful tool to help us. I'm not sure if I can name her, but she was fantastic. She always helped us to find someone. If we wanted to meet someone, she helped us. It was fantastic.